cast has 2 female row and 2 male row, and then 4 male are auditioning, including John. And then 3 female auditioning, including Alice. What's the probability of exactly one of John and Alice selected? This is a slot problem because when it comes to auditioning for roles, order always matters. So this is a tricky slot problem, and first you have to understand what the question is asking. It's asking the probability of exactly one of John and Alice. So a lot of people confuse that with both John and Alice. This is not what it's saying. This is saying that a cast where either John is in, Alice is not in, or where a cast John is not in and Alice is in. So we're gonna have to split those into 2 different separate scenarios. First is that John is in and Alice is not. So this is a slot problem again, and the slots are 2 male row and 2 female row. So let's start out with the sample space here. The sample space is going to be, for the male row, here are 4 that can fit in the first male slot, and then 3, and then 3 and 2. For the top, you have John have to be in it. So first of all, let's say John is here on the first slot. And then the next slot can't be John, of course, so you still have 3 male. And for the female part, Alice can't be in it, so from the 3 female, only 2 and 1 can be in these next 2 slots. So this is the scenario John is in and Alice is not. Also, you have to take this multiplied by 2 to account for the fact that John can be also the second male row. And now we're going to add, because it's John in, Alice not, or Alice in and John is not. Again, I'm just going to keep it consistent, so first 2 are the male rows and second 2 are the female rows. Again, sample space is the same. You have 4 males, so 4 and 3 for the males, and then 3 and 2 for the female. And here for the first 2 male slots, well, John cannot be in this cast, so that leave 3 and 2 for the first 2 slots for the male. And since Alice have to be in, so let's put Alice over here on this first male row, first female row, and then one of the other female. And we also have to take this times 2 for the same reason. Alice can be in female 1 or female 2. So now we just have to simplify, and this is it, so now we just simplify. Here's 3 cancel, 3 and 2 cancel. So here's 1 and 2. Oh, this is 2 because it's 1 times 2. Here's 4. So the top is 2 plus 4, and the bottom is 12. So this is 6/12, or 1/2 is the final answer.